Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install IPTV Smarter Pro latest version. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First open your downloader app. Now click on search and enter the code that I entered 82062. Wait for 5 seconds. Now you can see that the IPTV Smarter Pro latest version is starting downloading. Download it and install. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription you can contact me at WhatsApp. Now you can see that the IPTV Smarter Pro is installed.